potato chip crusted chicken, and we use kettle potato chips because they have a really nice crunch. And to the recipe with the potato chips here, we're gonna add a little brown sugar.
Ooh, it'll be salty and savory at the same time.
Paprika,
And sweet.
yes. And then you have a little spice with Cajun seasonings, garlic powder, and some salt and pepper.
It smells great, by the way.
You just throw it all in your food processor like so. Hit it on pulse a few times. You don't want the potato chips too fine because it'll be a powder. You want the big chunks.
You want nice, crispy, crunchy chicken. Ooh, I love the aroma of those potato chips.
So that's pretty good there.
Yum.
And we're gonna bring it over here, dump it into this bowl. And so you can see here I have some larger chunks mixed in there, which will really show up nice once it's all fried together.
Beautiful.
Now we prepared some flour, some eggs, and the potato chip.
Can I whisk up your eggs for you?
Yes, please do. We'll add a little water to that also. So for the chicken, we're gonna want thin cutlets. So to do that, we're gonna fillet half a breast like so. And just keep your thumb out of the way.
Butterfly it open.
Gonna open it up like so. Fillet, butterfly,
Look at
whichever
that.
you wanna call it.
You get two beautiful thin cuts.
And you wanna make sure they're dry. These are kind of dry, they're not wet, which is great.
Salt,
mix
pepper,
that in.
and what, little sugar?
Salt, pepper, and a little sugar, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Mix that in, put it in there, great, great.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna coat these really well with the flour.
I'll help you out here.
Please do.
The egg.
Most people, when I was a kid, my mom sometimes would put the egg first, but it's kind of nice to put the flour first. It really sticks to it. And then you can almost double coat it by putting the egg second.
Can I throw a couple of these in?
Yeah, I typically like them all done first, so it cooks together, but we have 3 ready to go, so let's do that.
Yeah, let's get them. We can only fit 2 in a pan at once, you know what I mean? Because they're so big and beautiful.
Yeah, and one way, what I always like to do to test that the oil's ready is sometimes just use your finger with some water or egg and just flick in there before you put the chicken.
And
This
see
way
if
if
it bubbles,
sizzles,
yeah.
So these will take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Do you have a favorite recipe from the book?
Well, Kerber's, as I said, was a poultry farm, so we've become quite famous for our chicken pot pie.
Wow, that's a classic, huh?
As well as a cheddar buttermilk biscuit that we use for our egg sandwiches.
Oh, is there anything better than an egg sandwich? I mean, come on. Look at those. You want to dress the salad?
Yeah, so this is a really simple dish to make at home, quite quick. And if you want to make a really easy salad to go along with it, you can almost just serve it on the side or over the top like a chicken paillard.
Yeah, like a paillard. And especially the ladies, we like the math that if you eat the crispy potato chip chicken on top of a salad, somehow that negates all the calories in the potato chip chicken.
All right, we have our nice base salad. Put those cutlets right on the top there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start eating my cutlet. Oh my God.
Is it good?
They are amazing. They are amazing. He just doubled down. Did you see that? I want to mention, not only is this cookbook beautiful, but Nick is very, very generous. He brought a copy for everyone in our audience, but we're asking our audience now to be mindful and to stay home and watch us from their sofas. But when we have this in-studio audience back, this will be a beautiful gift. You guys can also order this book online. The Kerber Farm Cookbook is on bookstands now. You can order it online, right?
Yes, absolutely.